If you want these on this bust down, ready to go wig, of course, carry on watching. I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to install this wig. Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are all doing very well. If you're new here, my name's Liz. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. This year I'm on the hunt to try out all the ready to go wigs that are out on the market. I've not got time to customize, cut the lace, pluck the hairline. Nobody's got time for that. I'm all about efficiency and things that are easy for me to do. So these ready to go wigs are always handy, and this is another one that I'm trying out. So this one is by Westkiss. Westkiss sent this to me and said, hey, we want you to install this to see how it works with you. I believe this is about 24 inches. Really long compared to what I've been rocking this summer. If you want to see how easy it is to install them, then of course carry on watching this video. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Of course, all the deets of this wig will be in the description bar below, so make sure to check that out.
So this is how it arrives in this box. Once you open it up, you have a bonnet, you have the duster bag which you can keep your wig, then you have the headband, you have lashes, there was a brush, there was wig caps, and there was this stick-on glue tape. So this is what the hair looks like freshly out of the box. As you can see, everything's already been customized for you, so you can just pop this on your head and ready to go. Inside it has adjustable straps and the combs, but personally I always like to wash my wig, so I had to do so.
So this is what the hair looks like freshly washed. You can see it has a bit of a wave to it. I feel today I'm going to wear it bone straight, to be honest. Able to run my hands through it so easily, which I like. The lace, as you can see already, it's really thin, which is always a bonus in my eyes. Definitely a what lace type of wig. But yeah, these ready to go wigs seem to be a steal. So this came with the HD wig cap, which is really thin, but I'm just using one that I have already, to be honest, because I prefer the color on this one. So I'm just going to install this and you guys will see how I do so. So let's pop this on my head to see. This is what it will look like. If I come closer, you can see probably what the lace is looking like. But if you're someone like me who hates doing too much, then you will like this. So starting off by adding my mousse. This is a middle part, so that's what I'm going to work with today. Today I'm feeling like a bone straight babe. The fact it's already plucked means I don't need to do much, which is good. Then you want to add some at the back. And here when I come home, apart from taking off my bra, the next thing I like to take off is my wig. So I'm not someone that likes to have it on for a long period of time. So the next thing that I like to use is a light hold. So what I still use is got to be spray. So what I'm going to do is spray that on my head. I'm going to use that to secure this wig, you know. So now I'm just spraying the got to be where I want it to, the wig to be placed. So one layer. And I like the fact I don't need to put this from ear to ear. So yeah, spraying a bit more on, and if you want you can obviously use your blow dryer to speed up the process so that it's a bit more tacky. So then you want to place the wig where you want it to lay. I'm going to use my mirror so you can see what I'm doing, guys. Make sure I'm in shot. So placing that where I want the wig to be, and then just use your fingers to basically push it on. So that's what I'm doing right now. Once you have the wig placed where you want it, you just want to hold on to it for a minute or two. Then you want to reach out for your blow dryer and blow dry that area just to make sure that it's completely dry. I then like to use the spray to spray on top where you see the lace to give that extra hold even more. I always like to do so. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like the lace has disappeared when you do that. But yeah, the excess, just use the brush and comb it through like so. And comb it through like so. As I said already, this is already plucked, so you don't need to do any extra work. That as time goes on, you know, it'll get thinner. So I like to just leave it like this and don't pluck anything else. So using the back of this, just press into the lace. So that's into the hairline. Press onto the lace You want to use your blow dryer. You want to get the headband that comes with the hair. Obviously this is from Westkiss. So I'm just going to use the band and then you tie it at the back. I do tie it quite tight if I'm honest. Next we're going to just carry on styling this wig how I normally would. So I take the wax and then I put that throughout like so to help flatten the hair a bit more. So next thing which I like to do is use the hot comb. So use that to comb the hairs like so. You can also use the back of it to help, and this will just help flatten it a bit more as well. And I'll leave links below so where you can get this comb from if you don't know where you can get it, and everything else that I listed will be in the description box. You can always add a bit of your Got To Be spray to finish it off and also help set it a little bit more. So that's somewhat flat now. The next thing I like to do is blow dry my hair so that it helps give that extra bone straight look, instead of just going straight in with the straightener. So I'm going to use my blow dryer. So this is what the hair is looking like once I blow dried it. As you can see, it's not bone straight, it still has some bit of wave to it. So I'm going to add a bit of serum and then I'm going to straighten this hair. So rubbing the serum throughout this hair, as you can see. I tend to use the serum, to be honest, with my natural hair and my wigs. But yeah, I don't like to add too much because sometimes it can be a bit stringy, and to be honest, I think I added a little bit too much. But we'll make it work, we'll make it work. So using my straighteners, I'm just gonna straighten this hair. This is probably gonna be boring for you guys to watch, so if it's too much, I'll probably speed it up. Just sat up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Always comb through, then straighten. This hair is really nice, guys. The texture of this, as the kids would say, slaps. I really wonder whose idea it was to come up with these already made wigs. Whoever it is, you deserve a medal. You really do deserve a medal. So I've done like quarter, I want to say, quarter of the hair so far. This feels good. So I'll be right back. So this is how the unit looks like after I've straightened it to the best I could possibly do. Honestly, I'm quite impressed about the quality of the hair, but this is what I typically do after I've styled my hair, put on my makeup, then I'll take off my band. That way it's stayed on my head for quite a bit. So let's take that off. Okay, and I like to pull or take this off this way instead of the other way, just in case it rips off the wig, which you don't want. So you can see there's a little bit of whiteness where the hairline is. So all I'm going to do is just, all I'm going to use is my foundation brush, which I used earlier, and just basically dab the excess foundation that I had onto my lace. That way it blends seamlessly because it's the right colour, and you don't need to do too much, just a little bit will fix the issue. Now that I've filled in the lace, straightened it a little more, but this is the finished look. This is how simple and easy it is to install these ready to go with. I'm so impressed with the quality of this hair. It's just so flowy. But yeah, this is, I guess, my bust down. I haven't had straight hair in a while, so this looks so different. As you saw already, this has kind of like, I would say, a wave to it. So if you want to have it curly or wavy, of course you can have it like this. I wanted to see or style it bone straight to see what it will look like, and this is what I have. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. Do you guys think I should pluck the hairline or leave it as it is right now? Let me know. Of course, I would take your advice. But yeah, if you want the full details on this unit, I'll leave it below. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I shall speak to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Just wondering if there's something